Losing health insurance coverage usually doesn't happen during a calm season of life. Maybe you changed jobs, started a business, lost Medicaid, got kicked off your parents' plan, or went through a divorce, or maybe just had your hours reduced. While everything else is already stressful, suddenly you're expected to understand deductibles, provider networks, prescription coverage deadlines, and enrollment rules. Today, I want to walk through a few important things to think about if you've recently lost health insurance coverage and may need marketplace insurance through a special enrollment period, often called an SEP. A special enrollment period may allow you to enroll in marketplace coverage outside of the normal open enrollment period after certain qualifying life events like losing coverage. But qualifying is only part of the conversation. The bigger question is whether you're choosing coverage that actually fits your situation. When people are overwhelmed, it's easy to focus only on the monthly premium and miss some really important details. One of the first things I encourage people to look at is whether their doctors, clinics, specialists, or hospitals are even actually in network with the plan they're considering. Two plans can look very similar, but work very differently when it comes to provider networks. The next thing to think about is prescriptions and how often do you actually use your health insurance coverage. If you regularly see specialists or take medications, attend therapy, or have children with frequent appointments, those things matter when choosing your coverage. Sometimes the plan with the lowest monthly premium can actually cost a lot more overall, depending on the way that you use your health care. Deductibles, copays, drug formularies, and out-of-pocket maximums also play a role in that calculation. Another important piece is understanding what has changed in your household. Changes in income, household size, loss of employer coverage, or Medicaid eligibility can all impact what options or financial assistance may be available. Some of the most common mistakes that I see during transitions like this are rushing through enrollment, missing deductibles, not checking provider networks, missing documentation requests, or accidentally allowing a gap in coverage. Many people are making these decisions while emotionally exhausted from everything else that's happening in life. That's why slowing down and reviewing your options carefully can make a really big difference. If you recently lost coverage and are trying to sort through your options, you do not have to figure everything out alone. If you'd like help reviewing marketplace coverage options, understanding whether your situation may qualify for a special enrollment period, or any other questions you may have about marketplace, we would be happy to help. Please reach out to us today to discuss your options. We help try to simplify the process and make it as easy as possible to make a decision that's right for you and your family and potentially save thousands in the process.